Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop, and I've got teaser tips for you. If you or your client's teaser is not dead on, and I'm talking with a full, stable legs and rotating the pelvis one way, level pelvis and then back down. Teaser 2, stable pelvis and spine. Teaser 3, full coordination with heels in line with eyes. If that's not happening for you or your clients, let's go back to the one-legged teaser. It is brilliant. The one-legged teaser, a 90-degree angle at the knees or even a little bit closer. Bring your knees together, rotate your pelvis in posterior tilt, and then rotate your pelvis level with the mat, stay round, perhaps go all the way down, and then roll back up, keeping a level pelvis until you purposefully move it. Teaser 1, Teaser 2, working a stable pelvis, rotating pubic bone, tailbone, sit bones up. Oh, teaser 3, rotate your pelvis, which moves your spine. Lower your leg as you lower your spine, keeping heels in line with eye until back of head and heel touches, and come back up, working that same kind of precision. Teaser 1, 2, and 3 with the one-legged teaser. Now, if your client, that could be you too, drops that leg, can't keep it straight knee to knee, bend the uplifted leg, but keep the legs at the same level. Make sure it's a big deal of the precision of the rotation of the pelvis and a really lifted, rounded spine, lifted flexion. So play with teaser 1, 2, and 3 with your one-legged teaser, and you will really master the precision of it. It's so easy to forget. So here's your reminder. Give me a holler and let me know if I can help you more with it. Thanks.